Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing the account and device. Confirm the email and phone on your Snapchat profile so data requests reach you. This prevents delays. Next, check if your device already has a backup, iCloud for iOS or Google Drive for Android, because that can contain message remnants. Once done, enable airplane mode to stop app sync and potential overwrite. Make sure you have storage space and the Snapchat app updated. Then proceed immediately to request your Snapchat data and inspect local files. You now request and examine the exports. Go into Snapchat settings, tap My Data and submit the request. This pulls message logs, media, and metadata. You'll get an email link. While waiting, inspect your device. On Android, open a file manager and check /android/data/com. Snapchat /cache for cached images or chat fragments. On iOS, check iCloud backups via settings. Do not install dubious recovery tools. They often fail and risk privacy. Instead, focus on the official zip download and local cache file. Finish by extracting and searching the exported data. Download the zip from Snapchat's email, unzip it, then open Index. HTML or the JSON files, use Ctrl+F to search for the username or keywords and check timestamps to confirm relevance. If you find media, save copies immediately. If the export is empty, first confirm the request went to the correct email and try submitting another request. Make sure you waited the processing window. If that fails, ask the conversation partner to check their side. Often they retain copies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.